If your birdwatching list needs a little speed, let's talk peregrine falcons. Blink and you'll miss them. This feathered speedster can dive at over 240 miles per hour. That's faster than a Formula One car. With keen eyesight, it spots prey from nearly 2 miles away. Then in a blink, it swoops down, snatching up birds mid-air. But it's not just about speed. The peregrine falcon has special adaptations like a streamlined body and powerful muscles to make those high-speed chases possible. Plus, it has baffles in its nostrils to prevent air from rushing in too quickly during dives. Talk about engineering. So next time you see a blur in the sky, it might just be a peregrine falcon in action. Nature's rocket and truly a marvel of the avian world. Stay tuned for more amazing animal facts. Please like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.